Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
Open the Photos app and locate the image you want to use. Tap the image once to reveal controls and then tap Share. Choose Assign to Contact from the Share sheet to begin linking the photo. Select the contact you want and tap Choose Image. Use the Move and Scale controls to crop so the face fills the frame. Tap Done to save the assigned photo to that contact on your iPhone. Open Settings and scroll down to Phone to find Contact Posters in iOS 17. Tap Contact Posters and then tap Create New Poster to start a custom design. Pick a photo or emoji and select a layout that fits your photo composition. Adjust font, color, and text placement to keep the image readable during calls. When satisfied, tap Done and then choose Use as Poster to make that image appear on incoming calls for you or your contact. Enable iCloud contacts when you want assigned photos to sync across all devices. If a photo does not appear on the call screen, open the contact card and reassign the image to refresh that contact. Restarting the phone or contacts app can also resolve display issues. To manage privacy, open Settings, then Phone, and tap Share Name and Photo to control who sees your poster. Turn off sharing when you do not want your photo displayed on outgoing or
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.